missing someone.
Hey guys, what is up? If you didn't already know, my name is Cassie and today I am beyond excited to film today's video. I mean, I guess I'm kind of always excited to film every video, but this one especially because today I am finally sharing with you guys what I have been absolutely obsessed with for the past month. Bullet journaling. I love bullet journaling. I don't think you guys realize how much I love bullet journaling. I know I've been hinting for the past couple weeks or so that I'm gonna do this video, and finally it's here and I'm so excited. But as much as I could probably ramble on and on all day about how much I love bullet journaling, you guys probably don't want to see that, so let's just go right into the video. So first off, my supplies are relatively simple. I don't really have any of the classic bujo supplies, but that's okay because all you really need is a notebook and a pen. But if you are wondering what specific supplies I am using, let me just run you through them real quick. We have the Papermate Clear Point Mechanical Pencil in the 0.7 lead, the Papermate Ink Joy Gel Pen in the 0.7 point size, the Zebra Mild Liners Double-Sided Highlighters in the Cool and Refined color set, and just some standard Crayola markers along with some Crayola Super Tips. And some miscellaneous supplies. I have my HB sprocket, a glue stick, washi tape, and of course a ruler. Sometime a while ago last month, I started planning what I wanted July's theme to be and what I wanted the cover to look like, and I decided on the theme strawberries. Okay, so first I'm going to be just sketching out July in pencil and then going over it in my Crayola Super Tip, and then I'll just be going over it again to make it a darker shade. Now I am just going to attempt to draw strawberries all over the cover page, and the kind of style I'm going for this month is more of the homemade style. So basically, instead of drawing an outline and then coloring it, I am just going to be doing a bunch of red blobs, and then I will be going in with the detail afterwards, and it just gives it more of a rough homemade kind of look, and I really like that look. Next, I will be making the leaves of the strawberries, and I'm going to take my Zebra Mild Liner, the green one obviously, and I'm going to make a bunch of leaf-shaped blobs. I don't know, I had a really hard time trying to figure out what strawberry leaves looked like, so I just kind of gave up and did this. And now I'm just going to erase all of the extra pencil marks and then just outline all of the strawberries and also put little seeds on it. I thought it gave it extra detail and character, and I really liked how it turned out. And that is my cover page for this month. I really, truly loved how it turned out, and now we are going to start on the quote page. The quote for this month, I decided, is going to be, "Life is sweet," because strawberries, in my opinion, are very sweet. I love strawberries, one of my favorite fruits, so I decided to put the quote, "Life is sweet." And then because it looked a little bland, I decided to add some washi tape, which I really loved how that turned out, how I layered a couple different washi tapes on top of each other. I think it really just brought both of the pages together. And that is my first spread of July 2019 complete. The next spread will be a habit tracker spread, and I'm just writing the title kind of in a bubble letter font. And this is the end result of my habit tracker, and now I just need to decide what the habits this month is going to be. And the page beside that will be titled YouTube, and it's basically just like a brain dump page, so you could definitely have a brain dump page right next to your habit tracker, but it's basically just where I'm going to be putting my YouTube video ideas and that kind of thing. And the last spread I will be doing to set up my July is a monthly spread, so I'm just going to be drawing a huge big box, and I'm going to make the edges of it curved, which kind of looks a little ratchet, but oh well. And now I'm just going to split it up into 8 instead of 7 because it just kind of bothers me to have 7 instead of 8, and I can use the 8th side for something else, so don't worry about that. And now, just to add a pop of color, I am just going to put a bunch of little circles, you know, for the numbers to be on. And honestly, in my opinion, they look like little Skittles, which I think is so cute and I love it. And for the title, I'm going to mix a bunch of the colors themes, like the gray midliner, the pink midliner, and the green midliner to spell out July in cursive. And then I'm just going to go over it in my Inkjoy gel pen just to make it look more clear. And of course, just doodle some red strawberries on the sides. And here is the final flip through. And that is me setting up my bullet journal for July. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please let me know by liking this video and leaving a comment down below. And if you want to see my everyday life, my behind the scenes of my channel, then you should definitely follow my Instagram. I don't want to jinx or anything, but I've been pretty active on there, so you should definitely go follow it. Yeah, I think that is all I have for you guys, so I really hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!